If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Photoshop has many tools like the Healing Brush tool and Spot Healing Brush tool, which help you fix a scanned image that has dust, scratches, and other problems. Photoshop also provides a category of noise filters that help increase the clarity of old photos by removing various flaws. To apply one of the noise filters in Photoshop to a selected raster layer or smart object layer, select Filter, Noise from the menu bar. Then select one of the following noise filters to apply from the side menu of choices and set its options as needed. Unlike the other noise filters, to intentionally add noise, select the Add Noise filter. Doing this applies a filter that gives photos a blemished appearance. This filter adds pixel noise to the layer. In the Add Noise dialog box that appears, set the amount of noise to add as a percentage. To set its distribution, select either Uniform or Gaussian under the Distribution section. To add chroma noise, uncheck the Monochromatic checkbox. To add monochromatic noise, check the monochromatic checkbox. When finished, click the OK button to apply the noise, or click the Cancel button to cancel it. Alternatively, to remove noise from a layer while leaving its edges intact, select the Despeckle filter. This filter automatically blurs everything but the edges to smooth noise that often occurs from scanning images. Alternatively, to remove dust and scratches from a scanned photo, select the Dust and Scratches filter. This filter helps hide noise by changing pixels with extreme tonal transitions. In the Dust and Scratches dialog box that opens, enter the radius to change into the radius field. Smaller values preserve more detail in the photo. To set the tonal threshold, enter a value from 0 to 255 into the threshold field, or use the adjacent slider. Larger values preserve more detail, and lower values produce more smoothing. To apply the filter, click the OK button. To instead cancel the filter, click the Cancel button. Alternatively, to blend the brightness of pixels in a selection, choose the Median filter. This filter reduces contrast surrounding dust spots. To adjust it, enter a value between 1 and 500 into the radius field in the Median dialog box, or use the field's adjacent slider. To apply the filter, click the OK button. To instead cancel the filter, click the Cancel button. To reduce luminance noise and color noise, select the Reduce Noise filter. In the Reduce Noise dialog box, to reduce the noise in the composite color channel, select the Basic option. To reduce the noise in the composite color channel and each individual color channel if needed, select the Advanced option button. If you select the Advanced option, then click the Overall tab to set the overall noise reduction. To set the overall noise reduction for the Basic option, or the Overall tab if using the Advanced Noise Reduction, use the Strength slider to set the strength of the luminance noise reduction. Then use the Preserve Detail slider to set the amount of detail to preserve. To set the strength of the chroma noise reduction, use the Reduce Color Noise slider. To set the amount of sharpening to apply to preserved details, use the Sharpen Details slider. To remove JPEG artifact blocks created by JPEG compression, check the Remove JPEG Artifact checkbox. To set the noise reduction per color channel if using the advanced mode, click the Per Channel tab. Then select a color channel from the Channel dropdown. Then select the noise reduction strength for that color channel by using the Strength slider. Then use the Preserve Details slider to set the amount of detail to preserve in that selected color channel. Repeat this process for each channel as needed. To apply the filter, click the OK button. To instead cancel the filter, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.